It is February, it's time for another cocktail challenge. This is Love Potion 2023. That's right, guys. Once again, myself, Rob from Rob's Home Bar, we got Vino from 60 Second Cocktails, and Dave from Booze on the Rocks. We're bringing you yet another cocktail challenge. This is Love Potion 2023. So, just like all the other challenges, super simple. We invite everyone on social media, on YouTube, on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, wherever you are. Make a cocktail, make a Valentine's Day themed cocktail, follow a few simple rules, and then post it online for everyone to see. Rules are super simple. Let's go over them. Rule number 1, you gotta make it red or pink. Okay? It's gotta be a Valentine's Day themed drink. Rule number 2, gotta use a chocolate garnish. Somehow, either put some chocolate on there, chocolate dipped strawberry, little dusting of cocoa powder, get some chocolate on the cocktail somehow as a garnish. That's rule number 2. And rule number 3, super simple. Simply when you post online, use the hashtag LovePotion2023. If you want to download the logo files or the video animation for the hashtag, I will have a link in the description down below. You can go download those files and add them to your video or to your post, whatever. Other than that, guys, there are no rules. Go crazy. Use whatever ingredients you want. Just make it a nice drink for Valentine's Day. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and go make my drink, so let's head to the bar. All right, today we are making a drink with some Mezcal, some Strawberry Liqueur, some Ancho Reyez. This is the Fiery Strawberry Kiss. So we're gonna start with a couple fresh strawberries. They're not the nicest. I mean, this is not strawberry season, but I think they're gonna do just fine for our purposes here. I'm gonna go with 3 good-sized strawberries. We're then going to muddle those strawberries. I just press it down, extracting all that juice. It's gonna make a great cocktail. You could use strawberry syrup here if you wanted. I decided to muddle some fresh strawberries. After that, we want 1.5 ounces of Mezcal. This is Vida Mezcal. It's one of my favorites. It's got a really good smokiness to it. It's absolutely delicious, but use whatever you want. Use whatever Mezcal you have. 1 ounce of Strawberry Liqueur. This is my homemade Strawberry Liqueur. Click that link, see how I make all kinds of berry liqueurs. This was probably my favorite of that batch. It turned out really, really well. That one and the raspberry. After that, we're going to do 1/2 ounce of Ancho Reyez. This is the Ancho Chili Liqueur, not the Poblano Liqueur. And it's going to hopefully give it just a nice little hint of chili smokiness and a little spice, but not overly spicy. Couple dashes of mole bitters going in next. It's going to add a little bit of spice as well, and maybe a little hint of chocolate. And we're going to finish it off with 1 ounce of lime juice. This is kind of following kind of a margarita template. All right, drop some ice in there, flippy move. We're going to give this a quick shake. Get that nice and chilled and nice and mixed. Obviously, we're going to double strain here into our coupe because we don't want the strawberry bits in the drink. Beautiful red color. That color is on point. We're following the rules of the challenge. Nice deep red color. I love it. Make sure to get every last drop out of that strainer. There it is. Come on. All right. For our chocolate garnish, we're going to do a chocolate covered strawberry. I know it's cliche, but whatever, it works. So just melt chocolate, dip the strawberry in there, give it a little cut with a knife, and then slide it on the glass, and there it is, the Fiery Strawberry Kiss. All right, let's head back to the editing layer where we will taste our cocktail. So there it is, guys. I don't yet have a name for it. When I post the video, hopefully there will be one, and I will paste it somewhere. But essentially, this is kind of like a Mezcal Margarita with strawberry and a little bit of spice from Ancho Reyez. And I did garnish with a nice chocolate-covered strawberry. So I followed all the rules. Let's give it a taste. That's really good. Not overly sweet. I didn't add a syrup. Part of me wanted to use a strawberry syrup. I decided to muddle fresh strawberries, and I have my strawberry liqueur that I have. The combination of those two is perfect because you have an intense strawberry flavor, but it's not overly sweet. The only sweetness is from the liqueur and from the Ancho Reyez a little bit. And from the strawberries, they're not overly sweet. We're not really in strawberry season yet. They're good, but they're not overly sweet, which is perfect for this drink. So intense strawberry flavor up front, and then you get the smokiness and the agave and a little hint of spice on the back end. That's exactly what I wanted from that Ancho Reyez, was just to give it that little kick in the back end. Well, there it is, guys. Can't wait to see what everyone comes up with. Love Potion 2023, and it's a lot of fun. We want to get as many entries as we can. All right, so cheers, guys, and happy Valentine's Day.